The Dugard 760Y Plus direct drive vertical machining centre, with heavy-duty rollerways as well as built-in and direct drive spindle options. The Y-axis on this machine is exceptional for its size at 510mm. X-axis travel is 760mm and Z is also 510mm. There are various high-performance control options. Mitsubishi M830W, Siemens 828D with Shopmill conversational software, Heidenhain 640 TNC or Fanuc OIMF with 2GB data server. 760Y Plus has a 30-station twin-arm automatic tool changer with an option for 40 tools. Spindle speeds are 20 to 12,000 RPM with a state-of-the-art direct drive spindle and a 15,000 RPM option. It has a table size of 860mm by 500mm and an impressive maximum table load of 800 kilograms. Rapids are 48 meters a minute and 52 meters a minute on the Mitsubishi model. Rigid tapping and helical milling are standard features, as is the Grundfos high-power coolant system and chip flushing. Other standard features include 30-position twin-arm automatic tool changer, 20-bar through spindle coolant, high-lift scraper-type swarf conveyor and bin, heavy-duty rollerways on all axes, spindle refrigeration and built-in coolant nozzles. The Dugard 760Y Plus is ruggedly constructed, a heavy-duty design which assures optimum rigidity and stability for a longer machine life. It weighs 5,000 kilograms with a compact footprint of 2,389 by 2,245 millimeters. For a full specification and lots of other information on the Dugard 760Y Plus VMC, please go to our website, dugard.com.